Okay, I'm gonna do a demo of Ocean Theater. These things are $10. So they were supposed to be, I think they were originally like 20 bucks. No one ever buys them. Oh, my daughter's out here. We made a little firework of her, just like we made them of me. But anyway, with this Ocean Theater, you get it out. What we got here is a little seal. It's a battery operated toy. And you put a sparkler inside of them. Alright, so I got the sparkler set up. I'll show you how it works. This is what it does if you're just using a toy with no sparkler. But yeah, it's really not a bad little thing for 10 bucks. You know, people grab the little plastic dinosaurs for like $6 that shoot a puff of spark and a puff of smoke. Maybe this is way better for 10 bucks, but what do you guys think? Alright, we'll see how the rolling echo goes. That one did not roll as good as the rolling Waylands.